Look at it. Oh my god, I'm a lip junkie. I love lip gloss and lipsticks. Today I found a perfect solution, DIY lip gloss. Oh my god. The thing that I love about this DIY lip gloss is that I've got to mix my own colors. Also, it's very affordable. And I really cannot stress enough how much I've spent over the years just to get a perfect color for my skin tone. Let's not waste any time. Let me show you guys the colors that I've mixed. Let's try this color. I want to call it mixed berries. Just because I can. Because this is my lip gloss. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Look at the color. The texture is very smooth too. It glides on very easily. Wow. Let's swipe this one and try another color that I personally love. I have here cocoa. I want to call it cocoa, okay? Oh my god, guys. Let me go on and say that it doesn't feel sticky at all, even though it's super thick. It's not sticky. The texture is so smooth and I feel moisturized. My lips feel so moisturized. And the best part is I created the color. Oh my god. You guys should check it out. TKB Trading. It's affordable. I swear to god.